loves, welcome to my channel. So you see today I will be giving you a Valentine's Day amazing look. It is beautiful. I think this is nice. I think it's like really simple and soft glamish. So I will give you all the steps for this look. Stay tuned. Here we go. So I am using Colourpop Sweet Talk palette for this Valentine's Day look. I do use e.l.f. Smoothing Primer. So I'm using my eyebrow definer by Anastasia in the color dark brown. I'm just pouting about my eyebrows. And I'm just showing y'all, like, when you do your eyebrows, it's not gonna come out perfect. This is not a perfect or supposed to be perfect video. I want to show y'all I do mess up when I do my eyebrows and how I go back and just correct the things I need to correct about them. Now I am using my NYX concealer in the color Caramel. Now I will be using my angle brush to clean up the concealer under my brows and above my brows. Now I'm applying Fenty's foundation, the Soft Matte, in the color 410. Oh my goodness, I knew I forgot to put on my headband or my headscarf. Like, I don't know what I was thinking about. Like, now I am using the LA Girl concealer in the color Caramel. Now I'm using my Sephora brush number 47 just to clean up the concealer and foundation around my eyebrows and the forehead. You could use this brush for your foundation as well, but I use it just to clean up some of the concealer on my chin and in the creases of my nose. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410 around my eyes. And I use this brush to smoothing out my concealer. I will be setting my eyelids with the Butter Setting Powder by Fenty. Now I'm going to start with my transition color, Icy Me. Now I'm gonna take Meadow and blend that in. Now I'm gonna put Feel Free in my corners. I'm gonna blend that in my corners. Now I'm gonna put Garden Date over my eyelid. I'm setting with Sacha Buttercup under my eyes. Now I contour with the Fenty Beauty Espresso. Now, using your setting powder, that is what's gonna make your contouring pop. Like, this method is genius. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will have booking info real soon. Like, I feel like this is a amazing look for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys stay tuned for more looks. This is nice. I think this is beautiful. But anyways, so stay tuned.